Terminal B. Julie's going for a global entry. So I'm here Julie's going to get her global entry. It's about 90 degrees today here at Terminal B at Newark International Airport. There's the baggage claim area, Terminal B. Alright, so we're here at the global entry for your global entry. Global entry. The pizza's there, it's not too bad. So, how do you use Clear? Looks like your passport goes there, or your license goes there. Scan something. There's the food court. It's there's the food court at Terminal B. PSA pre is 30 minutes. The other one is. I'll show you the $13 pizza. Here's a $13 pizza. All right.
A piece or two?
For two. So that's the food court at Terminal B, right?
Yeah.
And it's Liberty Terrace. Right? Alright, let's go to baggage claim and get our bag. We're here at Newark Airport. We gotta go to 110. See, we're at Terminal B. Where they have the food court below the boarding gates. We're holding a pizza. That's a special pizza. That's from Newark. The thing here at Newark Airport. We gotta go to 110, which is right here.